my dear viewers, how to convert benzoic acid to benzamide. At first, benzoic acid react with thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2. Product from benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride react with excess amount of ammonia at presence of heat from benzamide, that is C6H5CONH2. Next conversion, how to convert benzoic acid to benzaldehyde. At first, benzoic acid react with thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2. Product from benzoyl chloride. Okay, benzoyl chloride react with hydrogen and red Pb and barium sulfate BaSO4, that is the name reaction Rothman reaction, that is the Rothman reduction reaction. Product from benzaldehyde, okay, that is C6H5CH